Want to know how to attract customers to your website? Customers that are ready and willing to buy from you without the struggle of having to learn how to rank your website on the front page of Google. Question: when it comes to building a website, what do you think is the biggest challenge that most local business owners have? One of the biggest challenges is finding a website designer who can get their website found on the internet. Why is this such a challenge? It's because so many business owners make this big mistake. They assume that if their website looks great, it will automatically bring in new customers. Why should you care? You should care because when you spend thousands of dollars on your website, you're throwing money away if it is not built to be found by people ready and willing to buy from you. So do you want a website which shows up on the first page of Google and brings in people looking to buy the stuff you sell? Perfect. Let's make this easy. Here are 3 strategies to make this happen. Strategy 1. Set up your website to be Google friendly. Want to be found in Google? Pay close attention as this is a key. You want to write the content of your website in such a way that it includes phrases people type into Google when they are looking for the product or service you sell. Once you have built it, you then need to let Google know your website exists and what it is about. The next thing you should consider is to ask your web developer to show you proof of how your website is ranking in Google for these search terms before paying for the full amount of your website. Strategy 2. Be clear on the purpose of your website. This is important because if you do not know what action you want visitors to your website to take, neither will they. The most likely result is a visitor will leave your website and go to your competitor. You'll benefit from this most if you want to turn your visitors into customers. Now you should be ready to speak to your local business website expert today about what visitor actions are available. Strategy 3. Add Google Analytics to your website. This is important because you want to know how many of the people visiting your website are taking the action you want them to before leaving your website. This will help you significantly if you're serious about getting the best possible results from your website. Your next step is to ask for the quote to build your website to include installation of Google Analytics and training on how to use it. Now you understand some of the top local business website building tips. There's no reason to keep struggling trying to build a website which can be found on the internet. Are you ready to speak to an expert on building websites which rank in Google? Ready to get help with your local business websites? Want a free quote or consultation? Call us now on 0403 488 489.